let's learn some numericals related to chapter 1. That is, first one is, if the distance between two equal point charges is half and their individual charges are doubled, what would happen to the force between them? So that means two equal charges are given, and also it is said that if they are half, individual charges, what happens to the individual charges? It is doubled. So how it is affecting the force? That is the main aim of this numerical problem we have to solve. So now we are aware from the Coulomb's law, that is force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and also or epsilon naught, and the two charges here, both the charges which is given are of equal point charges, so that means we have to take both the charges as q, and also the distance is given, and here normally the distance, normally we are taking it as r, and the term comes as r square. And again we are going to apply the condition given over in this numerical, that is, what is the new distance? That is half of the first one. And also what is the nature of the charge, or what is the amount of the charge? That is doubled. So the new distance which we have considered is equal to half of the first distance, and also next the charge which we have considered, that is the twice of the first charge. So that is what the new distance and also the charge we have obtained, and we are going to apply this in this equation. Where the charges are required, we will be applying this condition, and also where the distance, we will be applying this condition. Now let's see the new force. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. And what is the new force? That is, this is the new charge and new distance. So how we can rewrite this equation? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2q into 2q upon r by 2 the whole square. Is finally when we are solving it, so we will be getting here 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is 4 q square upon r by 2, or r square by 4 we will obtain. That is equal to, we can write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 q square upon r by 4 we can write. So 4 4s are, when we are taking it as what, reciprocal, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, then we are taking this to the numerator when we are solving it, that is 16 q on r square. So that means that is equal to, we are taking the 16 as common, and remaining is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q square upon r square. That means we can see here that is, if the first force, if you are writing as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q square upon r square, that is the first force. And when we are comparing with the first force, the new force which we have obtained is 16 times of this amount. So that means 16 times of that, it will be the new force. So that's what we can write as, the new force will be 16 F. And now we are clear that the force will become 16 times of the original force force when the distance between two equal point charges is halved and their individual charges are doubled.